Well, Teresa, when I came, she was on the board of directors, and so she served 6 years on our board of directors. But that wasn't that. She didn't just disappear. Teresa has continued to work with us and consult with us and get involved with activities. Her and her husband Thomas have financially supported us. They're both on our advisory council. They were the first members that we brought on to our advisory council. But then she's also, supported Carnival, our gala that we have, the best party in town. But really the heart of it is her expertise and her passion about healthcare law and mental health care law and working to expand and do everything she can to help people get the services and the health care in an affordable way that they need, and which is a benefit to everyone in the community. And Teresa is easily recognized, not only here in Tulsa, but really statewide, as one of the absolute leaders in healthcare law in this part of the country. And Teresa always asks hard questions. She always asks hard questions of me and anybody that's around her. She asks very difficult questions about, and she's not easily satisfied with pat answers. She wants specifics, and that's a part of her training from being a lawyer, but also from Leadership Tulsa, and she brings that wherever she goes. And when Teresa Burkett's one of these people, when she walks into a room, everybody sits up, pays attention, because she brings her game, and it's all about helping people and serving her community.
The Mental Health Association is something I've stayed involved with since I first got involved with the organization back in 1999 by joining the board of directors. I worked on the public policy committee then, and the Mental Health Association is a leader nationally in finding long-term supportive housing for our mentally ill population, and we are doing great work in reducing the homelessness among veterans in particular, and are close to achieving zero homelessness among veterans in Tulsa. And we're working right now on zero homelessness by the end of 2016, and I feel confident we will get there. I got started working with nonprofits as a teen. My mother was very involved in the Norman community where I grew up. She founded the Meals on Wheels program in Norman with one of her friends, and so as soon as I got my driver's license, I was out driving, taking meals to shut-ins in Norman. And I didn't know a whole lot about Tulsa before I came here, except I was a sailor, and I knew that you had to come through Tulsa to get through the really nice lakes in this part of the state. So that's actually what brought me here. But that's the extent of my knowledge. And so when we did the tour of Tulsa with David Breed from the Tulsa Historical Society, I heard for the first time that we'd had a race riot in Oklahoma. I was shocked by that. But on the bus tour, we touched parts of our community that I hadn't seen. And to see the need and to see some of our schools that really needed some attention, it opened my eyes to more of the Tulsa than what I saw in my circle working as a lawyer in downtown and going to my activities in Midtown. It was real eye-opening.